Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you the quick video editor. Quick video editor is a very simple video editor which is written in Python. Now first let me show you a very sample video. So this is the video which we would be editing with the help of the quick video editor. Now I will run the Python code and now the window of the video editor pops up. So there are a lot of options with lots of menus. On the top left here, this is the file menu where we can select various types of files like the input file, the output file and the copyright file. On the top right, there is the crop menu where we can crop, change the settings of if we want to crop the video. And similarly, below that there is the color option where we can change the colors of the image, like changing the brightness and the contrast. Now below on the left side we can see that we can change the timings, so start time and end time. I will come to these later. Also the output, right? Now first I'll select the input video. This was the video which we were seeing, so I'll open it. And after clicking on preview we can see the video frame which we have selected. So here it's the first frame, and when I click on preview we see the first frame of the video. Now I can change the frame number by, let's say, typing 5, and now we would be seeing the 5th frame. Now the output height is where we select the number of pixels of the output video which we want, so how tall, and the width of the video would be scaled correspondingly based on the aspect ratio, so the video won't be skewed or anything. So this is very helpful when we want to change the size of the video. So let's say you have a very high resolution video, full HD or 4K, and it's the video is very large in size, so let's say several GBs, and we want to quickly reduce the size of the video, so we can use quick video editor and just change the output height value. Similarly, we there is the crop function where we can crop the video. I will show you very simple example. Let's say cropping from 20 pixels to 600 pixels horizontally, and so 20 pixels from the left and up to 600 pixel that would be cropped. And when I click on preview you can see that the cropping has taken place. Similarly, vertically I will crop, let's say, from 200 to 20 to again 600, let's say, or let's take 400. And when I click on preview you can see that the video has been cropped vertically. Now note that even though you might think that the aspect ratio has been skewed, the skewness only appears in the video preview. In the after the actual rendering of the video, in the output file, the height and the width would be according to the aspect ratio itself, and you won't notice any skew. Now coming to the color, we can adjust the color. So let's say I will reduce the brightness and I will increase the contrast. So this is how the video looks. And now there is an option of include copyright image. So first I will select the copyright image which I want to include, and I will select this image. And when I click on include copyright image, and when I will preview, we can see that the copyright image is on the bottom right hand side. Let me select some other frame, let's say 60th frame. See, the copyright image has been is there on the bottom right hand side, and the start time and the end time are the times of the video, like how much we want to trim the video. So I want the video from 0 seconds to 4 seconds, and I will select the place where I want to store, and I will click here. I will type the name output video, let's say .mp4, and I will click save. And now there is this button called as show render preview. So when we are rendering the video, if this button is checked, then we would be seeing the live preview in this video frame, and if this is not checked, then we won't be seeing it. So I will turn this on, and then I will click on start processing. Now we can see the live preview here, and now the video has been completed. The processing has been completed. Now if we go to this file explorer, we can see that the video processing is done. I will open this video. You can see that the aspect ratio has been maintained correctly, so that there is no skewness, and on the bottom right side we can also see our copyright logo. And that completes the demo of the Kik video editor. The Python code which you can see here is uploaded on the GitHub, and I will put the video link, I will put the GitHub link in the description. And thank you.